Okay, everybody. This question is actually on resistivity. So whenever we have a question on resistivity, you should remember that the formula given is actually R equals to rho L over A, where R is the resistance, rho is the resistivity, L is the length, and A is the cross-sectional area. Alright, so let's begin. In this question, you notice that there's no numbers. Okay, so everything given is a variable. So what happens is right now, if I were to write in green, you'll notice that the question here says that the new wire is of identical material. So whenever you see the word identical material, right, it represents that the resistivity stays the same. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to highlight in red what the difference between the initial wire and the second wire. So the first thing is that the length is half, okay, and the second thing is that the cross-sectional area is now double. So whenever we say double, it means 2 times. Half, so obviously it's just half, right? Okay, so with that, we usually compare it this way. We say that the initial one, R, equals to rho, capital letter L, divided by capital letter A. So all this is actually given with this, okay? Resistance is R, L, and cross-sectional area A. So we substitute everything in. I'm going to write in blank the new resistance. So we are trying to find the new resistance, okay, such that rho, for the length we have L over 2, okay, this is because it's halved, right, divided by 2 times the area. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we are actually going to simplify the whole thing mathematically. So I can actually have it as this way, half rho capital L divided by 2 times of A. Okay, so you can notice that the first part of the equation, okay, is similar to the second part of the equation, right? Alright, so basically what I'm doing is just to take the half from L and put it to the front. Okay, and then we're going to simplify the mathematics after this. It's actually equivalent to 1/4 rho L over A. Okay, so from here we will actually note that R is rho capital L over capital A, and this is actually the same as this portion. Therefore, I can replace it with 1/4 capital R. Right? Therefore, on the whole, we know that the new resistance is actually 1/4 that of the previous resistance. Now, so if you recall, can we leave it in 1/4 R? We shouldn't, right? So actually, we will be writing 0.25 of R.